Hey, wanna make your iPhone 17 Pro Max home screen look smarter and more useful? Here's how you can add and customize widgets to make your iPhone more eye-catching and organized. So first, from your home screen, tap and hold on any blank area until your app starts to jiggle. Now tap on this edit option from top left corner and choose add widget. Now here you will see suggested widgets like photos, clock, weather, reminder, or your favorite apps such as ChatGPT for quick access. Now choose any widgets you like. For example, select the photo widgets to show your favorite album. Now choose any of the size. Now tap on add widgets and it will pop up on your home screen. Now you can choose your favorite album, select it, and after adding, you can edit, resize, and arrange your widget by dragging them around. And also move them to a new spot or even stack similar widgets together for a clean, minimal look. And now you can customize it your way, add your most used apps, shortcuts, or folder for instant access what matter most. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.